So this is video 2 on the Prius all-wheel drive 2019. What I wanted to cover is the heads-up display, which basically think of it as a projector screen in the vehicle. You'll see that projector screen right there on the driver's side, where only the driver can see. What it does is it displays digital information as far as speed limits, and navigation and driving habits that help the driver stay focused and on the road. So I will show that to you in a second. So first off, how to turn that heads-up display on and off. When it's green, that means it's on. HUD just means heads-up display. So just turn it off. Turning it back on. There's the automatic high beams I was talking about in the earlier video. Great to have. Easy to use. So heads-up display, like I was saying, it kind of gives you a, in the mirror is a digital display, and you can get the when you're driving or using the, you know, some of your navigation, it'll give you turn-by-turn direction. But it's just a nice feature to have. And you can see it says how fast you're going. Right now we're going slow, so we're going 0 miles per hour. And also there's our energy display, so it kind of gives us a good readout. And while I'm driving, I don't even have to look down at the speedometer, because that's all I need right there is just how fast I'm going and how well I'm using the Prius to get the best possible gas mileage.